everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. Happy March! Today is March 1st, which means that our February contest is all done. And if you didn't have the chance to enter it, or if you didn't hear about it, don't worry. We will be having another contest for the month of March. I will be announcing that here shortly. So make sure that you are paying attention to our YouTube channel and you are subscribed, so that way you get to pay attention and you get to hear all about our great contests that we have every month. So just as a recap, our February contest was for a 60 cell biodome, which I actually have one right behind me here. I'll pull it out. It's under the grow lights now because look at these seedlings. They are doing so good. And this actually has a lid. Here, should have had all this ready, I guess. But this was on it before. So this is the whole setup. But now that the seedlings are all doing so well, I've been taking that off and now let them go like this. And I'm probably going to be up potting these here shortly. So I'm excited. They did really, really well. Hopefully the lucky winner will have just as great of luck as we did. So without further ado, the lucky winner of the Park Seed 60 cell biodome is Holly Watterson. She has subscribed to our channel and commented. One of her comments was randomly selected to win for one of these biodomes. So now, Holly, all you need to do is email us at info@seedtospoon.net and let us know where you would like your biodome shipped, and Park Seed will get that sent off to you. Congratulations, Holly. I hope you enjoy it. And for the rest of you, don't worry, we will be having more giveaways. We will have another one for the month of March that I will be announcing soon, so make sure you're paying attention to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Bye.